Mineral exploration company Sunstone Metals has evidenced real copper porphyry discovery potential. I'm speaking shortly with Managing Director Malcolm Norris to discuss the projects, the plans and just how well they've executed strategy to date with an outlook for gold and copper. Malcolm, thanks for your time. Talk to us about your current projects, where you're exploring and what's next.
Okay, yeah, look, we're exploring for gold and copper in Ecuador. We're looking for very large tonnage porphyry gold copper systems. The team at Sunstone has been involved in the discovery of two of these previously, one in Indonesia when we were with Intrepid, and then we were the team responsible for securing the Cascabel deposit that's currently held by SolGold in Ecuador. So we've done this before. If there's a porphyry deposit to be found in our concession, we will absolutely find it. And this morning we've released some results which demonstrate there is. And we're currently drilling a gold porphyry mineralisation from surface. The next phase of drilling is really aimed at defining the scale of the system and trying to demonstrate that this could be hundreds of millions of tonnes.
Malcolm, it's a pretty powerful announcement. So just briefly, talk to me about people, the project and what it takes to bring this together.
Absolutely. Look, we're feeling very bullish within Sunstone, and keeping the team together has been critical. The team has been together for about 3 or 4 years now, so we've been through the hard times, great difficulty raising money. We've now got a lot of good support. Our capital structure is very good. We've got good family offices and high net worth individuals backing us, and increased interest from a number of resource funds in Australia. And a lot of the time the first question they ask is, let's talk about the management team. Let's look at the board. So we're in a very good position where the board and the management team are strong. We've all invested our own money into Sunstone as well, so we absolutely are aligned with shareholders. We have skin in the game. And so for us, raising money, while always a challenge, I expect will flow once we can demonstrate that we've made this discovery. And this is what we saw in our other companies, that once you're at the start of that discovery phase, you can turn around and raise money. So we think we're there now.
Okay, so following on from this announcement, what are the key questions that investors are asking?
Yeah, look, the key questions we get are, tell us about the grade, so we can compare the grade of our drilling results with deposits that are in development. So the best example for Australians is Cadia, developed by Newcrest in New South Wales. The grade of Cadia when it was first put into development, the grade of the resource, was the same as the grade we're delivering in our drill holes now. So we know that at the right tonnage it's commercially viable. Our job now is to demonstrate scale, and we know that we can do that because we're finding that the drilling results mirror the geophysical target that we've defined, and that's very large. So we're confident about the tonnage. So we can do that. I think in terms of the team, we've got geology expertise that have discovered deposits before. We've got a mining engineer on our team, so he can tell us what is going to be commercially viable, what's attractive. And then we've got a CFO who was previously with Panost, a lot of copper gold experience. So the team, a great asset, good capital structure, good support. That's why we're feeling bullish.
Momentum will be important as we move forward. What are your key plans in the next 3 to 6 months?
Yeah, okay, so by the end of August we've got some listed options that are due to expire, so that should bring in some funding. They're at 3 cents. That will enable us to accelerate the drilling, which we expect we'll do. So by the end of the year we would have drilled 3 targets. We would have drilled probably more than our initial meterage that we'd thought about drilling. And we'll have, in our expectation, 2 porphyries discovered and some higher grade gold from a smaller epithermal target. So by the end of the year, we're hoping to deliver on all of those.
So Malcolm, in terms of challenges on the horizon, is there anything we should be watching out for?
Operationally, no. We can continue drilling. That's no problem at all. I don't really see too many challenges with operating in Ecuador. It took us a long time to get our drill permit. For various reasons, but we've got it now. We can drill anywhere within the concession. And Ecuador is demonstrating strong support for the mining sector. They know they need it to help lift their GDP. And the President, the Vice President and the Mines Ministry are all publicly stating how important it is to the future of Ecuador, and we want to participate in that. So we are feeling optimistic. I mean, that's what we are by nature. But we also understand risk, and so I don't see too much downside at this point in time.